Hi lovelies, I'm Han, I'm part of Iconic London's Glam Squad and we're here to show you all things Iconic London. Get ready for newness, hauls, vlogs, makeup get ready with me, my favourites, MUA tips and tricks and so much more. So remember to subscribe babes because you don't want to miss out. Today we're going to talk about brows. So I love a fluffy brow, but I also like a defined brow. So I'm going to show you how to create each brow and see how it sculpts your face. Brows really do sculpt your face, so you'll see the difference in between each one. So let me show you. Iconic has so many amazing products. The brow stuff is definitely one of my favourites. I've got two different products from Iconic London, so let me talk you through them. This is the Iconic Liquid Brow Silk for maximum hold. This is one of my favourites. So let's talk about this little baby here. This is the Liquid Brow Silk maximum hold. It's a flexible shaping wax. This has got a precision fibre applicator wand. This small applicator here allows you to apply it to every single one of your brow hairs to give the maximum hold, which makes it a lot easier and a lot more precise. And it doesn't feel stiff or crunchy in your brows like some products will feel thick in your brows. This feels super lightweight. I can hardly feel it, if anything. It does go on with a slight whitish payoff, but it does go transparent. Even on my dark brow hair, there's no like whitish residue left on it. It does dry transparent, so you've not got to worry if you have darker hair, it won't leave white marks on your brows. This stuff has 16-hour hold as well. This is the perfect product for that feathered look, so that really trending fluffy brow kind of look. This is the product for that. Lastly, we have the Triple Precision Brow Definer. This product comes with a soft micro brow pencil and then a fine tip eyebrow pen and then a spoolie brush. So you've got 3 products in one with this. So this is for the ones who like a more filled in brow, like your brow arch, like it very defined looking. I love that it's got 3 different parts to it. My favourite part is the micro pencil because it gives you the option of having a fuller, thicker brow but still softer, so it doesn't go on too quickly or anything. It goes on really slowly so you can build up the pigment, and the more pressure you put on, the darker it gets, the colour. And the marker side is for adding in fake hairs, especially at the front. If you want to add a mimic of fake hairs in there, if you've got more sparse eyebrows, you'll love this part, while also keeping them looking nice and natural. This has got a clever tattoo dye effect in it, so you know they're not going to budge anywhere with the marker as well. They are going to stay on all day, so don't go worry about them fading. And then with the little mascara brush, you can just brush through your brows and make it look even softer, so I like that it adds that in as well. It does come in 6 shades as well, so there's a colour for everybody. I know there's so many people that still struggle with the brows. They don't know what brow shape to do because they don't know which one will emphasise the face more or complement the features. And there's so many brow products out there, so people don't even know what brow products to use and what is meant for what. So I'm going to do a quick little guide for you so you can just see the difference. This is the 2 different styles that I've done just to show you the difference. This is what I mean when I say eyebrows shape your face. Can you see the difference in between these 2 brows and what they do to my face? So let me talk through. I know they look a bit crazy because obviously they're different. Let me talk you through what I've done. So on this side, I've created an arch brow. The arch gives my face a bigger frame and appear wider. The arch and tail also makes my eyes look more prominent. I've used the Triple Precision Brow Definer because it helped me define and shape super easily. For my other brow, I created this feathered brow using the Liquid Brow Silk Max Hold. With this product, I've got rid of the tail of my brow and I've just flicked it up, and this will allow me to have a more lifted look and go upwards rather than, you can see this side goes down, so you can see the difference. My eyes look so much more lifted and my face looks more sculpted, which pulls all my facial features up and it emphasises all the steep angles in my face. Cheekbone looks more lifted, my eye looks more lifted, everything looks a lot more lifted on this side. You can see the clear difference in the eyebrow shapes. I hope you guys have learned a lot more about your eyebrows now, and let me know down below in the comments which brow you prefer. Do you prefer the lifted one or do you prefer the more defined one? Like, what do you normally do? If you've got any questions about colours and shades or anything like that with brow stuff, let Iconic London know down below as well. Iconic London are happy to help with like shade matching for your eyebrows and stuff like that, so if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments as well. Both the products I've used today are linked in the description as well, just to make it easier for you guys. You can keep up to date with Iconic London on Instagram and on TikTok. And remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I shall see you next time, babes.